This is the AceFast ACEFIT Pro wireless earbuds, guys. 4 months ago, I reviewed the AceFast ACEFIT Air and I really loved them. They were very light, the sound was good, and the design was just stunning. This time, AceFast upgraded their game by releasing the Pro version. It has the same slim design, about 7.9 grams, titanium hooks, guys, but come closer. It has something that the AceFast ACEFIT Air didn't have. Here, guys, this is an LED display. So we're gonna be reviewing this on the table, but before I start the unboxing, let me tell you guys, they have something that is kind of cool. Alright, this tip here illuminates in the dark with a breathing light. It's called the night safety function. The idea is you're riding your bike or just being a pedestrian to be seen by everybody else, like the surrounding, because remember, this design is meant for people that want to get good sound quality without compromising on their own personal security, guys. So this time adding this night safety is a big thing, and honestly I never tested a product like this. 2 years ago I tested another AceFast earbuds that were also illuminated, but yeah, nothing like this. So guys, this has been sent to me by AceFast, but the review is going to be totally my own. So now let's put this on my unbox table and now let's start the video. Here we are on the review table, AceFast new audio-visual experience, ACEFIT Pro wireless earbuds, FA001, lighter, thinner, better sound. The packaging looks quite similar to the AceFast ACEFIT Air, but of course that's a whole lot of product. You can check all the specifications there, guys. The wireless version, that's Bluetooth 5.4, should support up to 10 meters of a distance. The audio codecs SBC AAC, guys. Frequency response from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. The earbuds battery, very important, 60 mAh, and the earbuds case, another 500 mAh, guys, which is quite good, and they support also IP54, which means that they can handle some light rain, but okay. Now guys, let's unbox them. So you can see we open them from here. Alright, kind of like this unboxing experience, guys. You have to just very satisfying. Alright, remove this as well, and now guys, boom, here it is. This is the product. First thing we have here is the charging cable. Pay attention, guys, it has this specific shape, and I'm gonna show you why this is important for the charging. Of course, also here the AceFast logo. Alright, the product itself, and we do have also booklet, I guess, with some information on how to download the AceFast app. And I'm gonna do this in the video to show you. And also, what a nice surprise, a cleaning handkerchief so that you can clean your headphones. Okay, I'm gonna put the box outside. By the way, very nice and sturdy, firm box. Also, the logo is embossed. This is it, guys. This is the product. The first thing I would like to do is wait, because they should be very, very, very light. All right, now let's just turn on my scale. Let's put them here. Wow, 73 grams, guys, with the case. This is just stunning. How to remove this? Yeah. Oh, this is satisfying indeed. Now let's appreciate the design, guys. This is absolutely stunning, guys. It's very futuristic, and it, by the way, looks similar to the AceFit Air, but this thing is transparent. Oh, and also glossy here, so very, very good. As you can see, here on the back we do have the charging port, and this is why I said it's very important, guys, because the charging cable is shaped like this, which means that you can easily attach it and just charge them like this and have a full overview on what is happening, which is quite good. I'm also going to show you the charging modes. So very, very nice and glossy design. All right, very futuristic, guys. Here we do have the LED display. Now I'm going to open them. Oh wow. See what happened, guys? The moment I opened them, I got a message okay, and we have here, wow, this very nice light. In order for you to connect them, you need to also remove this thing here. All right, let's put it away. And I'm gonna do the same with the right one. So this is a protector which does not allow the earbuds to charge themselves when they're inside the box. So light, guys. Let me show you. 7 grams. This is no joke, guys. And when I put both together, right, 15, 14 grams, this is absolutely crazy, guys. Like almost 8 grams. This feels so thin, so light. It feels like I have nothing in my hand, like just absolutely nothing. Now, guys, this is a titanium hook, And this is the new design. All right, inside we do have a three magnet super linear speaker unit, guys. So this should sound quite nice. They do have a 20 by 8 millimeters big speaker, so they should be able to provide some nice frequency and the highs, the mids, and also the lows. And guys, now I'm gonna show you a trick. I'm gonna put them here. All right. The moment I put them in the case, boom, you can see we have now left and right indication. Right, we do have the OK, and we have also here an indication on the battery level. This is just so cool, guys. Now I'm gonna show you how to connect them to your phone, set them up, and review the AceFast application, because there are some things that you need to know. Let's take my Oppo Find X8 Ultra. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna search for AceFast. So AceFast, all right. This is the application. You just need to install it. By the way, can you see what happens here, guys? They're already trying to pair with my phone and producing this absolutely cool animation. And I'm gonna show this also in the dark, and I'm sure it's gonna be just so good. All right, I'm gonna press Add Device. I need to authorize it. So AceFit Pro, I'm gonna click it. Here it is, AceFast ACEFIT Pro. I'm gonna click. All right, I'm going to allow everything. Now I'm already connected, and guys, see here, they are already using the AAC codec, guys, which means that, yeah, they do support it as indicated, so you can use them with SBC or with the higher quality or high definition AAC codec. Now I'm inside the application. I can see how much power I have in both headphones and also in the charging case. And now, guys, see here, all right, we have some very important things to cover. We have lighting effects, sound effects, and gesture control, right? And when I go here, this is for the case. Here do we have the lighting effect. And now let's see those LED RGB lights in action, guys. As I told you, you have 8 options. Let's start with the first one. So this is the color. Okay, we're gonna cycle through all the options. Have in mind that in order to change the color for the earbuds box, they should be inside, all right? But you can see this is really, really cool. All right, now let's close them. I'm gonna close them, and you're gonna see they will illuminate and breathe. This is the short breathing option. All right, if you like this one, you can stay with this, or you can click on the light reading option, and this will change the light effect. So the good thing is that if you're searching for those in the night or dark environment inside your bag, there is no chance for you to miss them. And now, guys, let me show you also the other option. If I go back on the headphones themselves, remember there is the other option, the lighting effects for the headphones. So imagine wearing them in the night like this. Yeah, although this one is white, nobody's gonna see it. But you can turn on the lighting effects and they will illuminate on your head, hopefully raising the awareness of everybody else around you. As you can see, some stunning colors. And I want to show it once more because this is so cool, and you can just customize it, and all the colors, guys, will look very cool even when you close the box. I think even with a closed box, this looks absolutely like from a Ridley Scott movie, like from Alien, absolutely futuristic. So you can impress your friends with this. And now it's time for me to put them on my head and test the sound quality.
The AceFit Pro comes with noise cancelling mics here. So what you hear right now is actually not the sound from my phone that I'm using to record a video, but this is the voice recorded through the headphones. And I just listened to some samples and it was quite okay. The idea is that this should get you going through hopefully a not so loud environment, but even in a moderate to loud environment, you should be very audible. My voice was sounding full, not being so distorted, so I think they get the job done.
Some words also for the feet. As you know, those are very light, like barely 8 grams each. So the moment you put them on, the only one thing is you might not realize you have something actually on your ears. Because remember, they're not in ears, they just cover your ears. And in terms of fit, guys, they're very, very stable. So you can run with them, you can bike with them. And I tested the same on the previous model, the Air version. The doors are exactly the same, so they'll just stick very closely to your head. Not a lot of pressure. You almost will not notice you're wearing a product. Now, let's try to charge them and see how this is gonna look like. Remember, I'm using this part of the cable. All right, and I'm going to now loop it here. Voila. now I'm charging, and you can see you have an indication this is gonna charge your case and also the earbuds. When you open this, we're gonna have this very nice and fancy light, and of course we're gonna have also here the breathing light on the headphones. As you see, I had no issues connecting them to my S24 Ultra, and what I want to do right now is I want to try to connect them to my Oppo Find X8 Ultra. And this is very good, guys, because now they're both connected to my Oppo Find X8 Ultra as well to my S24 Ultra. So if you want to switch those nice pair of headphones between your two phones, yeah, this is going to work on two devices. Now let's speak about the sound quality. First thing you need to know, those headphones being open air headphones, there's going to be some sound leakage. So right now I'm playing a song on full volume. If you wear them and listen to full volume, then yeah, there's gonna be some sound leakage, meaning that people can almost hear what you listen if they're very close to you. And this is not a drawback, this is just how this design works, guys. But about the sound, I was really surprised. Usually I'm wearing in-ear headphones, this is what I do prefer, and occasionally I do and wear something like this if I want to ride my bike and just stay a bit more aware. But the speakers inside are really very powerful, guys, and they do provide a sound that actually surprised me for something that is not inside my ear but just very close to my ear. Also, something that is very important, when you click sound effects, you're going to be able to just choose between some default presets, but if you want to go and the custom EQ, you're able to just change individual frequencies, guys. And this is usually not very common for headphones for this price tag. Also, something that I would like to share, the gesture control is just incredible, guys, because this whole size here, right, this whole size is available for you. So you can set click, a double click, a triple click, and you can set an individual click for the left one. Like for example, right now, if I just click the left one, right, I'm going to get a volume down. If I just take the right one and just single tap the right one, I'm gonna get the volume up. A double click on both of them will actually stop or play the track, like in this case. A triple click on the left one will just restart the track, like in this situation. When I take the right one, a triple click will actually get me to the next track, like in this situation. So you have plenty of controls, guys. So let's do a recap, guys. They are very light, right? They do have light effects built in, these RGB 8 lights, breathing light, an LED display. They're also very light to the ears. The sound quality is okay, and the call quality from the mic was also good. So honestly, guys, if you want to just have something on your head that will raise the awareness during nighttime, night safety, and also get a very good adequate sound, these headphones might be for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.